I'm at the boat yard. Met Danny, who's installing the stern thruster on this big Hatteras. There's Danny right there. Tell us about the 48 volt system you're going to be using.
Caught my car, sorry.
Okay.
I don't even know how to, I'm not really good with that kind of stuff.
Okay, well that's fine. They're 48 volts instead of 24 volts or 12 volts. And this is a big boat. This is a 70-foot Hatteras. So you need a whole lot more power, a whole lot more kick to get it to turn around. What size diameter is that?
12 inch.
12-inch diameter, and they're putting the plastic propellers in there. So if something gets in it, the propeller's sacrificed instead of the motor drive shaft. I'm looking over here at the back of the boat. Well, that's an exhaust pipe. Another exhaust pipe. And then this is where the flange with the motor on the inside, and then that big gray thing by the man over there in the white dust suit. That big gray thing is the propeller housing that will actually bolt up to this on the back of the boat. And I'm sticking my camera inside the lazarette so you can see all of the different things. That's a trim tab device, and that's a bilge pump, so you can see everything that's got to get moved around to put the motor in that location. And then the housing will go out here on the back side. So that's what's involved in installing a stern thruster. No big deal, just write a check. Ask Captain Chris.